Today's question is to enter any number and print the sum of odd digits only. Sum of odd digits only. For example, I have entered a number 1234. So here the odd digits are 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So similarly I have taken one more number and I have entered the number 6382. And here the odd digit is 3. So answer is only 3. And if I have entered a number 4624 and there are no odd digits in it, so it will not print anything. So it will give you the message no odd digits in the number 4624. Okay, for that you need the common lines and you need to have some variables in the program. So we have declared over here and you are asked to enter a number. Enter a number n is the variable where we are going to enter the number. So any number we are going to enter, as I have showed you there in the example on the top over here. So any number you take, let us say we are taken 1234. Okay, so once you are taken, so I am storing that number which I have entered in M now. So M will also get the number 1234. So you can write it down in a copy in the rough column so that you remember. So you should always have a rough column with you so that you can check in the rough column how the logic is working. So once you have entered or stored the number in M, the variable M, which is also having 1234, so I am going to use a do while loop. So do while loop, I am going to take out the remainder first. So for which we will be using a modulus to divide the number. So n is 1234 divided by 10. So if you divide 1234 by 10, remainder will be 4. Remainder will be 4. And we have to have a quotient also. Q for quotient, and the quotient when you divide the number 1234 if you are dividing by 10, so quotient will be 123. Everything you can check in the rough column by dividing the numbers. So I am checking for the odd digits, as the question says program to calculate the sum of odd digits only. So I am taking another variable OD and R, which I am having from here, and R we got 4, and 4 we are dividing by 2 again, and when we divide by 2 the remainder should not be equal to 0. So remainder will come in OD. Remainder will come in OD, and that OD should not be equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, so it will go for the addition of the odd digit. Sum is equal to sum plus R, sum of each digit or sum of odd digits. Then n is equal to Q. So Q we got it, that is from here, that is 123. So that will be stored in the variable n now. So here it is checking while n is not equal to 0. So 123 is not equal to 0, true. So it will go back to do loop. So once it has gone back to do loop over here, okay, again it will repeat the same process. Now the n is 123 divided by 10. We are going to have a remainder. So remainder will be 3. So 3. And then we are going to have the quotient. Again we will be dividing, and quotient will be 12. And that 3 we are going to check over here by dividing by 2. So if you divide 3 by 2, the remainder will be 1. So OD is 1. 1 is not equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. True. True means it will go to sum is equal to sum plus R. So that 3 will be added over here. So sum has already been taken as 0 in the beginning over here. Sum is equal to 0. So 0 plus R. R we got is 3. That is an odd digit. So odd digit is added over here, and again Q, quotient, is given to N. And N is not equal to 0, 12 is not equal to 0, true, again we will go back to do while loop. The same thing will be repeated over here. So whenever it gets an odd digit, sum will be performed. So once the loop is over, the do while loop repetition is over, so sum of the odd digits in the number 1234. So 1 is the odd digit, 3 is the odd digits, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So sum you are going to get is 4. That is sum of odd digits 1 and 3, 1 plus 3. So sum is 4, so 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0, sum is greater than 0. True. True means you will go to the next line and you will print the entered number is M, that is 1234, and the sum of the odd digits is 4. I will show you on the output. I will compile the program and show you the output. And similarly, if you are taking a number like this, 4624, so 4624 you have taken, and you repeat the process of this do while, where you are getting the modulus, where you are getting the quotient, you are dividing the number to get the remainder, you are again dividing the number to get the quotient, and you are checking over here. If it is not equal to 0, then you are going for sum. But in the number 4624, there is no odd digits. So we will give you the message, no odd digits in the number this. So sum will not be added up because there is no odd digits. So no sum. So sum is not performed. So sum will remain as 0. If sum is remaining as 0, so 0 is greater than 0, false. If it is false, it will go to else. And it will print, system will print entered number is 4724, which do not have odd digits. So I will show you the output. For that we have to compile the program. Here is a compile button. So I will give you a click on compile, and you are seeing it is compiling. It's compiling and class compiled. No syntax error, that means there is no error in the program. So I will show you the output. So entering number 1234 is the number we have entered. See, entered number is 1234 and the sum of odd digits are 4. That is how 4? 1 is odd digit, 3 is odd digit, so 1 plus 3, 4. So we'll take one more number, 6382 for example. See, entered number is 6382 and sum of the odd digits are 3 because there is only one odd digits, that is 3. So 3 is the only odd digits getting added with sum 0, 3 plus 0, 3. So we'll take one more example. 4682. So 4682 is the number entered and it do not have any odd digits. So no sum is performed.